For new drivers, the process of shopping for car insurance can be daunting. There are so many different types of insurance, and it can be hard to know which one is the best for you. In this post, we will break down everything you need to know about car insurance for new drivers. We will talk about what car insurance is, the different types of coverage available, and how to choose the right policy for your needs. We will also share some tips for getting the best car insurance rates as a new driver. What is car insurance? Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay the insurance company a monthly premium and, in exchange, they agree to pay for any damages to your car that are caused by accident, theft, or other covered events. Car insurance is required in most states, and it's important to have it because it can help you financially if you're ever in an accident. There are many benefits of having car insurance, but they are especially important for new drivers. For one, car insurance can help you pay for repairs to your cars if it's ever damaged in an accident. If you're at fault for the accident, your insurance will also cover the costs of repairing the other driver's car. Additionally, car insurance can help you cover the costs of medical treatment if you or your passengers are injured in an accident. If you cause an accident that injures someone else, your insurance will also pay for their medical bills. There are many different types of car insurance available, and the type you need depends on your individual needs. The most common types of car insurance are liability insurance, collision insurance, comprehensive insurance, and uninsured motorist insurance. Liability insurance is the most basic type of car insurance. It covers the costs of damage to other people and property if you're at fault for an accident. It does not cover the costs of repair to your own car. Collision insurance covers the costs of repairs to your own car if it's damaged in an accident, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive insurance covers the costs of repairs to your own car if it's damaged by something other than an accident, such as fire, theft, or vandalism. Underinsured motorist insurance covers the cost of repairs to your own car if it's damaged in an accident by a driver who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to cover the costs of the accident. When shopping for your car insurance as a new driver, it's important to compare different policies and quotes to find the best rate. There are many factors that go into determining your car insurance rates, including your age, gender, driving record, the type of car you drive, and where you live. It's also important to make sure you're getting the coverage you need. For new drivers, we recommend getting at least liability insurance. If you can afford it, we also recommend getting collision and comprehensive insurance. And if you live in a state or place where it's required, you should get uninsured-underinsured motor insurance. There are a few things you can do to help make sure you're getting the best car insurance rates as a new driver. First, be sure to shop around and compare rates from multiple insurance companies. Second, consider taking a defensive driving course, which could help you get a discount on your rates. Third, be sure to keep your driving record clean. And finally, consider raising your deductible, which is an amount that you have to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. A higher deductible can help you get lower rates. Conclusion. Car insurance is an important part of being a new driver. It can help you pay for your repairs to your car or the other driver's car if you're in an accident. And it can help you cover the costs of medical treatment if you or your passengers are injured. There are many types of car insurance available, and the best policy depends on your individual needs. Be sure to shop around and compare rates from multiple companies to find the best deal. And finally, consider taking steps to help lower your rates, such as taking a defensive driving course or raising your deductible.